Hello and welcome back to Graphila. So in this particular video we will discuss about how to create a design in Canva. So there are actually a few different ways in which you can create your own design. The first and the easiest ways is to click at the top right corner, that is on the button create a design. Okay, so in this create a design you can search for any particular type or specific format of post you want to design. Okay, so like particular, if we type LinkedIn, so we will get various options relating to the LinkedIn, like you want to create LinkedIn post, LinkedIn tab, and all the sizes are mentioned in front of those names. So we can select any post and it will be created. So in the custom size you can enter your own pixels or the size in pixels, inches, mm, centimeter for a particular post of particular size you want to create. Okay, next we have is the import file option. So if you already have a design made and you want to edit in Canva, then you can directly import your media file here in Canva and edit it further. So this was one option that we have got here to create a design. Next option is on the middle panel, that is the custom size option. So again you can create a design of particular size in pixels, inches, and centimeters, just like we did above. Same way you can upload your own design. You can drag and drop your own designs here and start working on your designs. The third way in which you can create a design is of course here, the samples. You want to create designs, you can search here, you can use pre-designed templates. And for example, here we have Instagram post. Whenever we click it, a blank canvas will be made on which you can work. Next you can search for various templates here like LinkedIn post, and you can just find something here. Whenever you click, the templates relating to the same will be displayed. The fourth and last option is here in the left panel, that is templates. So there are various options for templates, some pre-designed templates which is designed by professionals, and you can just search for those templates from thousands of templates and you can re-edit those pre-designed templates. If it will be much quicker and you will get some good designs here also, which are regularly updated most of the time. So this is all for this particular video. Next we will create a design and take you to the design editor. Thank you so much. Please do hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any update.